This is just letting you know the start of the Christmas freebies are on my Ko-fi site. This is the collage ones. This is printed on my inkjet, not my laser, so it won't be so vibrant, all right, because I just have it on standard setting. And this is not matte photo paper, it's just normal card, because I don't buy that anymore because I use normal card on my laser. So I like to test print at lower quality to see what it looks like, and it is perfect, so nothing wrong with that at all. So it's one of the sort of bit grungy, I suppose, Christmas, but I like it. One of the backgrounds, I drew this is one of my drawings, so I thought I'd make a background out of it. It looks Christmassy to me, and it goes very nicely with that. This is one of my drawings as well, the leaf there. I'm sort of practicing on making backgrounds with my drawings, so I'm having a bit of fun doing that. Okay. Or repeat patterns, that's not my forte, so that's why you see a lot of different things from me. I don't do a lot of repeats, like repeat background, because I find but I'm learning, so which is great. I think this similar to this one is in one of my previous kits, okay, because I use it as a top, but the background is different, okay. And then I've got this one here, which I thought was quite sweet, really, with some music, Christmas music in the background. Okay, so that's the beginning of the Christmas freebies. You know there'll be more, because I like to, you know, I've got a kit, I'm working on a kit, it's nearly finished now, and I want to do one more Christmas kit, another like watercolour kit, I think. But I'm doing a collage kit next, and then I'm doing a watercolour kit. Yeah, that's right. Get it right, Andrea. It was hard doing Christmas while I'm working on a Halloween journal. It was like my brain couldn't handle the two things. It was, I wanted to do more Halloween stuff, you know, because I'm working there, and I thought, I could have done with that, and you know, and no, I thought, no, I've got to start work on Christmas, and next year I must start earlier. I think I'll start Halloween, I think in August. And I might be on time, or instead of literally October the 31st finishing my journal. Okay, well, thanks everybody, and speak to you soon. Bye bye.